So let's talk about how much stuff can you actually stick inside over here. And I filled it up, but you know what? It's still not filled. As much stuff as you put in here, it has so much space for you to stick everything inside. It's unbelievable. So first off, right here, we have the secret pouch for us. And I like the pouch because you can just open this up. The pouch opens up. And over here we have an EDC knife and a small flashlight. Just to show it to you that it is a knife that I carry here. Yeah, so pretty much it's a good pouch for you to stick EDC stuff into. There's plenty of space. There's a lot of room here to put things in. But what makes it really good is that it's a pouch. But as you open it up, we have a surprise here. We have an ability for us to go ahead, open and close this. So even if somebody just tries to pickpocket this, he still has to go through a second zipper to get inside the real meat of this thing. Now on this part over here, we have two different locations for us to put stuff inside. So I have a Bear Grylls survival kit over here. I can stick my EDC stuff all inside here. There is probably a lot more space here to utilize. In fact, 2/3 of it is still empty. Now talking about taking this, there's two ways for you to take it. There is one for the shorter path that you can use. There is the second one for you to go ahead and just grab it and take it on the go. On this end over here we have the second big pouch. This one we have an EDC flashlight just in case. In fact, most of this is not even utilized. There's so much space here. What I actually really love about this bag is the ability for you to stuff this, overstuff it, and still there is space here for everything. Now at the front over here we have a location that we can put things in for survival, emergency gear, clothes, and so on. We also have very nice mesh, and you can see through this what you put in here. So opening this main compartment up, we're going to be seeing how much stuff can we actually fit in here, and it's just amazing what you can stick inside. So what we have here is EDC gloves that I use for everyday purpose. Without the EDC hat, it's also important to have an extra hat around, or do I have already a hat on, having a second one is just essential. Now talking about the second one and everything else that is essential, well, we have our own miniature pouch here as well. With the miniature pouch we can put a lot of this stuff and stuff it up, because sometimes we need it to get organized, and I highly recommend for you to get a pouch just like this. Now next thing we have here, we have a very nice lamp that I can use in case of an emergency. When I go camping, you want to have an EDC rechargeable lamp for you to use. Water bottle is also essential to keep hydrated as well. Miniature binoculars, as you can see, this is really getting out of hand here. There's so much stuff here. The miniature binoculars, so I can definitely see all the way to the other side of the lake here. And don't forget to remove amateur move. Make sure you always remove those things before you look at this. Oh yeah. Now the next step for us to have is to see what else is inside here. Although you might be thinking, hey, that's a lot of stuff. No, it's not. We are just getting started here. Just getting started. And when it comes to sticking things in, make sure you pack them well. You have to also close them too. Talking about packing, I got my emergency axe. You just never know when you need one of those. Self-defense or survivalist. Talking about survivalist. And one of those survivors, big knives as well here. I have a big light that we can shine and use. This is a huge light for us to go ahead and shine, either red light or this one, which is great for just blinding just anybody who is messing with you at night. And that's about it. But the good news is, although you see all this gear here and it looks like a lot, you can put twice as much gear in here. As much as you see here and you think this is much gear, you can actually double up in here and it will still have plenty of room to stick some more stuff inside as well. So it just shows you that you can just pack this all the way to the max. And yet there was still half of it is still kind of empty. And you can just keep on packing it to the fullest. The only problem, only one thing I actually don't like about this bag is that it encourages you to overpack everything that you take. And because of that, this thing becomes very heavy for you to take along. Other than that, it is perfect. There's so much stuff you can go ahead and put in your EDC kit with this bag, and it's just awesome. So this is the bag itself, and I want to show you how it looks like when you totally pack it with everything inside here. So you can put this right on the shoulder, just like this, and it's a duffel bag. It's a really good duffel bag because when you're walking, you're going to places, you want to have a big bag for you on the go. And another great thing about this is two ways for you to go ahead and carry it. One, as you've seen before, is the shoulder method. The second one is just going ahead and carrying it with your hand, just like this, and just about anywhere you go. Now, what makes this bag unique and different is that the shoulder straps over here are totally removable. And you can definitely unstrap them in case you don't want to have them on. So two ways for you to unstrap here. One is from here, just go ahead and move it and you're going to be unstrapping it, and I don't want to lose this whole bag, but you can go ahead and do that. That's one way for you to unstrap it from one side. On the other side we have the same deal going, but this one is a little harder, so you can either go ahead and individually unstrap this and take this thing out. This is one way for you to go. Another way is for you to just go ahead and keep this in and just stick it right inside the bag itself. So you can always use it. But as you can see, since it is full to the max, this is the way it looks. But fear not, there's so much stuff you can stick in here. And the best part about this is that now I'm ready to go camping, EDC stuff. I have everything with me that I need on the go, and it's awesome.